Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today we're making these super cute coiled wire earrings using the artistic wire Coiling Gizmo, the 22 gauge by the dozen multicolor artistic wire, and some 18 gauge copper artistic wire. We need our flush cutters, our flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and our beadle-on bail making pliers. So we'll set up the coiling gizmo, and we are going to put in the smallest size coiling rod and attach the roll of the 22 gauge wire. I am working directly from the roll so I don't waste any wire, and we are just going to hold the spool and wind it till it's about 3 inches long. And then we are going to clip the wire and then clip or undo the other end of the wire and remove it from the rod. From there we can use our flush cutters to clip off the extra bit of wire. Now we're getting about 10 inches of the 18 gauge copper wire, and we are going to attach it to the larger size rod. And we are going to hold it in place and wind the end around. This is the second smallest size rod in the kit. You can make these any size you like. So we are going to guide the wire by holding it with our finger, pressing it against the rod, and turning the handle to form the coil. You can push it in a little bit to get those coils a little tighter and straighten out the wire as needed. So once we've done about 3 coils, we are going to add our smaller gold coil right onto the same wire and then put the rod back in the coiling gizmo. So now we have to hold it firmly in place and turn the handle so our coil is going to coil around the rod. And we're going to keep turning it until we've used up that 3-inch length of coil. So then once you get to the end, we'll keep coiling to do about 3 rounds of the 18 gauge copper. So now we have a coiled wire bead, and we can remove it from the rod and clip the ends flush. The 18 gauge is good for this because it's quite firm and it will hold the bead in its shape. So now we need to make a head pin, so I take 2 to 3 inches of 18 gauge or 20 gauge artistic wire, do a little loop in the end, and we're going to add our coiled bead. From there we'll clip about 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Now we'll take our beadle-on bail making pliers, hold the end of the wire, bend it out and around to make a centered loop. We'll take our flat nose pliers and just give it a little press so there's no pokey ends, and we'll straighten it out. I will link up a tutorial on how to make your own earring hooks. So we're going to attach the hook, and there we have our beautiful coiled coil earrings made with the artistic wire Coiling Gizmo.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.